Thanks for joining me again here in St.Ann. Let's continue our walkabout. The weather has been good. Blue skies all around. A bit windy today, but the sun is out. A very beautiful children water park. Lots and lots of green spaces. Let's just follow behind this mother and child and see where it leads us. It's a sun worshipper's paradise. And this pool, my God. It's the longest I've seen. It just curves and winds its way around and about this complex. As they say, life is just for living. Here in the West Indies, the living is easy. If you have money, of course. Lots of locals staying here. And lots of Spanish-speaking guests. It's a Spanish-owned hotel. No surprise there. Here in beautiful St.Ann, where Christopher Columbus landed. 1492 was the year. After getting lost at sea, the natives came to his rescue, providing food, water, shelter, and direction. And you know how things went down after, or do you? It's hard not to enjoy your stay here. And just wondering, will we ever pass this way again? On this road of life, there's so much to see and do. Sometimes you only get one shot and that's it. Good friend we have found and good friend we have lost along the road of life. We travel through time and space. Give thanks for moments like these. Some good and interesting place we have visit and hope to return someday. But who knows? Maybe because of time and circumstance, we'll never get to see some of these places again. Kind of make you feel sad, but I guess that's life. Enjoy the rest of the time here. See you in the next one.